when we started Recon Off-Road, we knew building a SEMA truck was something we just had to do. You know, hopefully everything goes smoothly and goes well and we can get this truck on the road and get down there without any issues. So we finally got some parts in for the Super Duty, so we're gonna go grab Lawson so he can film us taking them out of the box. Lawson, Super Duty parts. Take your camera, do your thing. So the box says Recon. I don't know if they're just the taillights or if there's...
What all did we get from them?
So we're getting the replacement mirror lights, so smoked lens with the...
On the mirrors themselves?
Yep, with the white running light, orange blinker.
Yep.
Smoked cab lights, tail lights,
Third brake light?
and a third brake light to match. So here's our cab lights. Oh, wow, look at the box.
Boxes on boxes.
Look at that, that's very fancy.
Oh, all blacked out. Okay, okay, okay.
Magnetic box there. They light up
Oh,
like
so
that.
it's a switch
Yeah,
back?
yeah,
That's cool.
buddy. And then it's black housing and black smoke lens.
That's gonna look dope.
Alrighty. So there we go. Boy, that's gonna look a lot better than those.
Oh, wow.
Baker,
Yo.
what's going on with this wrap from Sticker Dude on the F-350?
Well, we got the pricing and everything approved. Now we're just waiting on him to do a rendering, which means I am waiting on the media team or the man behind the camera here to go take some pictures of it, like I have been since 10 o'clock this morning. It is now 3:07 p.m. in case you guys are wondering out there in video land. For them to get some pictures so I can send those to him along with the deposit so we can get a rendering and get approval and get this thing started, finally.
Well, looks like I gotta go take some pictures.
All right, now that those are sent, let's go bug Banker and see if we have the renders done yet. Banker, did you open my email yet? I sent it 30 seconds ago. Banker, open my email yet? Banker, open my email yet? Banker, did you check my email? Wanna open my email quick? Ooh! Ooh! Look at all that stance.
It looks funny. It looks like a cow.
Tiny little legs. It's like top heavy. Cool, so now I got those photos. You can send us Sticker Dude, right? He's gonna get you a render, a quote, and so it's not gonna look like this,
Yes-ish.
but he's gonna make it better.
He's going to make it realisticer.
I don't know what that means, but it sounds awesome.
Yeah.
Are you done pretending you're doing some work so we can check out these wheels and tires for the ARC350?
Yeah. Yeah, give me 1 second here.
Holy sh!
Pretty neato.
No, these are Furious, not Nitos.
Oh.
Got him.
Got him.
So it's a 2614 -81 offset Crown Series Victory in the custom red finish, which isn't custom because we offer it normally, so it's not like we sent it out to paint or anything like that. And then what is it, 40 by 15 and a half?
40, 15 and a half Fury MTs. As long as we're going over parts, you want to open up the tonneau cover and the bed rug we got too?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. All right. Hey. So, looks about the same, but they did tell me it's got a new finish. So if we open it up here, so you know how Sean's was a smooth, this is more of their textured, supposed to be more durable.
It almost looks like it's like camo, just the texture itself, like I
Right.
think it'll match the camo
It should, yeah.
as is. That's a rug for a bed, all right.
You wanna grab that end?
Jeez. And these all just basically Velcro onto the bed itself?
Yep, exactly. So it's easy in, easy out.
Sounds like a pretty easy install. I guess we'll see.
Yeah, we'll get it in.
Did you do the one in Sean's CO2?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty easy.
Yeah, going great. I've done a couple of them, so.
Sick.
So we have the first 3 renderings from.
This is for the wrap, right?
For the wrap. So are you ready for this?
I don't know, am I? So you've already looked at them?
I already looked at them.
All of them? How many are there? 3?
3.
And these are 3 different variations
Three
of
different
the
variations.
camo that we want.
There are 3 different variations of camo.
Oh, okay.
So,
I guess let's do it.
start with the first one. So there's the first one.
Oh, I think what bothers me is that it's a stock truck and the
yeah.
wheels are like painted red.
Yeah, it doesn't help. But just look at the camo pattern. I don't know why this is all just a field of black.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little weird to me.
Is this the next one?
So the next one,
Oh, Sean's Aventador.
yep, is the Lambo. The third one here is the Lambo, but in blacks and grays.
So like, this one doesn't make me mad necessarily, because like on these new F-150 or F-250s, they're so like boxy anyways that like
Yeah.
the sharp angles are fine, but it's not anything like the render, which I kind of fell in love with that.
Right. So if you remember, this is the inspiration.
Okay.
So it's kind of a far leap from this even to this, and even further to that.
Yeah, that's more definitely what we want to go for, I think, because it's less like obviously camo. Like it's still camo, you can tell, but like
Yeah.
it's not like here's black, white, and gray. It's like just kind of
Right.
it all merges together.
So I'll send them the picture of
What we're looking
the
for.
helicopter,
Yeah.
and what we're actually, looking for, our inspiration, and I will see what he comes up with there.
Yay. I wonder what this could be from Overkill Fab.
I wonder.
Let's look and see.
I bet you it's a grill. Looks pretty neat so far.
Uh-oh, I see wires on the back of it. What are those for?
Oh yeah, it may or may not light up red. So the inserts are removable, so those we will send a powder coat. It's gonna look pretty cool on the truck. You wanna hold it up there?
That's gonna be insane. All right, so it's currently 12:56. The pallet full of suspension parts that needs to get shipped down to powder coat is scheduled for the guy to come between 1 and 3. So Banker has 4 minutes, and everything needs to be on that pallet, bundled up, ready to go, because the dude could be here at 1, he could be at 3, but it needs to be ready to go. And that truck has been sitting on a lift halfway untouched for about 3 weeks now. So we're gonna go ask Mr. Banker where it's at, what's up with it. We also got our Overkill Fab grill in, and those inserts are getting powder coated. However, the grill is sitting on the bench and the inserts have not been touched yet. There's now 3 minutes until 1 o'clock. Wanna guess what time it is? No, you can't look, you gotta guess.
It's about 1 o'clock.
3 minutes to 1 o'clock.
Okay.
Where are we at with everything?
With, what do you mean?
So let's start with the suspension.
Yep.
Is everything that's in the box getting powder coated?
Yep.
We're not doing track bars?
Those have to be painted.
Oh. And then are the coils themselves getting?
Nope.
No,
They're
leaving them
gonna
as is?
stay as is.
Okay. So this is all good.
Yep.
That's all ready to go.
Yep. Well, almost ready to go. We got a few more things to put in there.
Like what?
So we have half the track bar. We just have to press a ball joint out, and
Yep.
then that'll go in there. And then the inserts for the grill, which just arrived.
So you have a couple last minute things. The grill
Yeah.
just got here.
Mhm.
Are those inserts getting powder coated?
Yep.
Where are the inserts?
They gotta go. I just said they gotta go on there. I gotta take them off. That guy's got to get B-roll footage of it before I can take them out.
He already got it.
No, he didn't.
I made all of that up.
I know you did. Because I've been waiting for him. And then all of a sudden he came out here with you with a camera.
Yeah, so I keep delaying you. It's all my fault.
Now you know.
Cool.
Story of my life.
All right, so Are you working on those now as soon as Lawson shuts the camera off and gets his B-roll then?
As soon as he's got the B-roll, the insert's coming off.
Cool.
And that's probably the truck coming to pick it up.
It definitely is. Like literally, that's the truck right there.
Yeah.
Is it?
So we have to do a video about how not everything is in the box yet because they're doing a video.
So there's the truck. I'm gonna let you get back to work so that he can get to work, so this can get the f out of here so we can have a powder coat on time. Bye.
Brent, and you should press out that ball joint.